you're looking for the perfect family boat, do some tubing, island hopping, maybe hit a restaurant, the Sea Ray 250 SDX may be the perfect boat for you. Join along with me and I'll give you a quick tour of it. A few good features of this particular boat is the amount of seating from bow to stern. We've got a really wide beam at the front, allows multiple people to hang out up front as well here in the cockpit. And on the stern of the boat, we got a big lounger in the back. Large bathroom for a 25-foot boat, has cushions down in there for a small child or two that can get down there and hide out from the sun. You know, extend those days out on the water for the parents. Here on the stern of the boat, you see we got a big lounger here on the back. A few people can kick back and really relax. Underneath the seat right here, we do have a large storage area. Great for tubes, skis, any kind of water sports activities. We also have a 12-volt plug in here to air up your tubes on the transom of the boat as well. Another good feature here on the stern of the boat is we have a nice swim step. Folds down, easy access on and off the boat. We do have the ladder here as well. This makes it even easier. This is the perfect family and summertime boat. If you're interested, my name is Candy. Come see me here at MarineMax Fort Walton Beach. Look forward to it.